Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning. I'm still sleepy. Breakfast is ready. Please wash your hands.
Okay, Mom. I'm too hungry. Clean hands keep us healthy.
You're right.
Use soap, Max. Like this? Yes. Rub your hands well.
Excellent job.
Please sit nicely.
Okay, Dad. I can do that.
Wonderful manners.
This food is so good.
Max, don't talk with food in your mouth.
Oops. Sorry, Dad.
Take small bites.
Thank you, Mom. The breakfast is delicious. You're welcome.
Good manners make everyone happy.
Thank you too, Mom. Max, where is your plate? Oh, I forgot. Please put it in the sink. Okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, thank you.
Can I help too?
Of course. Let's build a big tower. Ah, great idea. Have fun together. We will. Let's build a big tower. Ah, great idea. Have fun together. We will. It's time to clean up. I want to play more. Please put your toys away. Okay, Mom, I'll help. Books go here. Cars go in this box.
Wonderful. Everything has a place.
Our room looks great. Emma, can I use your blue crayon, please? Of course. Thank you. You're welcome.
Max, please don't grab things.
I'm sorry.
You can ask first.
Max, please knock first.
Knock! Knock! Come in. Can I play with you? Yes. Look at my airplane!
Please use your indoor voice.
Sorry, Mom.
A quiet voice is better.
The fox outsmarted the bear.
Can I say something?
Wait your turn, please.
Okay, now it's your turn.
And then the fox.
Here are some cookies. Let's share.
You can have one too.
Sharing is kind.
Can you help me?
Yes, Dad. I'll help too.
Thank you, children.
Ouch! Oh, I'm sorry, Emma. That's okay.
Saying sorry is a good manner.
It's bedtime. Okay, Mom.
Can I finish one page?
One page, then bed.
I brush for 2 minutes.
Me too.
Great job! Healthy teeth make happy smiles. Can you help me?
Yes.
Thank you, Max. Helping at home is wonderful.
Please close the door gently.
Sorry. Like this. Dad, may I use your tablet, please?
Yes, for 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Good asking.
Hello, let me help you.
I'll carry this bag.
Thank you, my dear. Please listen carefully.
I'm listening. Me too.
Excellent.
Dad, Dad, Dad!
Wait until they finish.
Thank you for waiting. Okay.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Kind words make people happy. Always speak kindly.
Good manners make a happy home. Always be kind.
I will. Me too. I make my bed every morning.
I forgot.
Please make your bed. Okay, Mom.
Where do dirty clothes go?
In the laundry basket.
I'll put mine here.
Excellent.
Please cover your mouth. Oops. Like this? Yes, that's right. Great job. Please put your shoes on the rack.
Mine are ready. I'll put mine there too.
Wonderful.
Emma, may I read your book, please? Of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Max, where should the trash go? In the trash bin. Let's keep our home clean. I will. Is dinner ready? Oh, please wait a little. We can help set the table. Great idea.
Can you put the plates on the table?
Sure. I'll bring the spoons. Thank you.
Could you pass the water, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Max, elbows off the table, please.
Oh, sorry.
Sit nicely. Perfect.
Can I go play now? Please finish your dinner first. I'm almost done. Okay. Who can help? I can. Me too.
Thank you, children.
Can I sit with you? Yes, but please don't touch my drawing. Okay.
Respecting others is important.
Who dropped the toy?
I did. I'm sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth. Honesty is important.
Excuse me, Dad.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
That was polite.
Very nice manners.
Be gentle with the kitten. Like this? Yes, very gentle. Meow. I lost.
It's okay. Stay calm.
Let's play again. Good idea.
Knock. Knock.
Come in.
May I ask you something?
Of course. Let's clean together.
I'll dust the shelves.
I'll sweep the floor.
Great teamwork. Good manners make our home happy.
Always be kind and helpful.
I love helping my family.
Me too. Max, the light is still on.
Oh,
I forgot.
Please turn it off when you leave.
Okay, Dad. Max, the water is running. Oops. Please close the tap. I will save water. Mom, can you help me too? Please wait 1 minute. Okay, I'll wait.
Thank you for being patient.
This food is so good.
Max, don't talk with food in your mouth.
Oops, sorry, Dad.
Take small bites.
Max, the light is still on.
Oh,
I forgot.
Please turn it off when you leave.
Okay, Dad. Max, the water is running. Oops. Please close the tap. I will save water. Mom, can you help me too? Please wait 1 minute. Okay, I'll wait.
thank you for being patient.
Achoo! Use a tissue, please. Sorry.
good job.
Did you finish playing?
Yes. Here is your robot.
Thank you.
Returning things is respectful.
Did you finish playing? Yes. Here is your robot. Thank you.
Returning things is respectful.
Please turn the pages gently.
Like this?
Perfect.
Books are our friends. Please water the flowers.
Okay. I'll help too.
Thank you.
Who will clean the table?
I will. Me too.
Excellent teamwork.
Dad is reading. I'll play quietly. Thank you.
Can I have some juice, please?
Of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Mom, let's wait. Thank you for waiting. You're welcome. Help. Let me help you. Thank you, Emma. Ah! Helping others is kind. I like helping.
Let's play together.
Yay! This is fun.
Family time is special.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Kind words make people happy. Always speak with respect.
Hello, everyone.
Good afternoon, Grandma.
We're happy to see you.
I'm happy too.
May I sit here?
Of course.
Sharing is caring. Very polite.
It's fixed now.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Dad is very helpful. Good manners make every day better. Be kind, helpful, and respectful.
I will always use good manners.
Me too. Our home is happy.
Let's put everything away.
I'll collect the cards.
I'll put the pieces in the box.
Excellent teamwork.
I love reading with my family.
The story is fun.
Reading together is special, and we learn new things.
Please, Thank you. You're welcome.
Kind words make everyone smile. I am proud of you.
We love our family.
Family is the best.
Love and respect make a happy home.
Time for bed.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Sweet dreams.
Tomorrow I will help again. I will use good manners every day. Let's always be kind. Deal.
They learned so much today. Good manners make them wonderful children.
I'm very happy.
Me too.
Good morning.
Today will be a great day.
Let's remember our good manners. Every day is a new chance to be kind. Good manners make every home happy.
Always say please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me. Be kind, helpful, and Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kidzora Learning Hub.